Hello and good morning to all my lovely students out there. I welcome you all for today's English class. Students, I hope all of you are fit and fine. And today we will be starting our classes. Today's date is the 2nd of November 2020 and we'll start with module number 7. And under module number 7, we will take up a vocabulary topic, and the name of the topic is use of to, and to. Though these words sound same, right? It's similar, the sound is same, but it has got different spellings and meaning and also the grammatical use. So what is our learning objective for today's class? By the end of today's class, what you'll be able to know, identify and differentiate the use of these three let words, that is to and to. What happens, students, many a times when teachers dictate notes or when you happen to write an answer, you often make mistake with these words. Now, these words having similar sounds are called as homophones, but they don't have the same meaning and same spellings. So let's get started, students. As I've told you, they are called as homophones. So let us try to find out what are homophones and also try to see some of the example of homophones so that you will be clear with the concept. Homophones are what? They are words which sound similar but have different meanings and grammatical functions. So homophones are what? They are words that have same sounds, that sound similar, but when you tend to see it properly, they have got different meanings. The spelling is also different and also the grammatical function. So let us see some of the examples so that you will know what a homophone is. See, right? SEEC means to have an eye, to see somebody. Whereas SEAC means what? It means an ocean or sea, right? The next example you can see NO, no, and KNOW, no, right? It has got different meanings and different grammatical uses, but the pronunciation of the word is the same, right? The sound is same. Similar is the case with check. That means, please check my homework, ma'am. Used to say, no, ma'am, please check my homework. The other word, the homophone of this word is check. I got a check of 10,000 rupee, right? So the next one is meet. MEET, meet, when you go to meet people, right? But supposingly your mother calls you and asks you to go and buy meat, maybe chicken meat, right? So it has got what? It has got different meaning, but then the sound is same and it has got different grammatical usage. So students, I hope all of you have understood what are homophones, but in today's class we are going to take up the three homophone words called as to and to. Okay, so here is a small activity for you. You need to identify the error in the following sentence and correct it. So just have a look at the sentence. I have misplaced the words to and to. So you need to identify the error and rewrite the sentence. Let us have a look. Rohan went to the ice cream parlor and ate two ice creams as the weather was too hot. Students, can you identify the incorrect words where it has been placed? Yes. Rohan went to the ice cream parlor, right? And ate two ice creams as the weather was too hot, two, right? So some of you are able to identify the difference and correct the sentence. Some of you are not. But please do not be worried, because by the end of today's class, you will be able to identify the difference between these three words and also know its usage. So let's get started. First, let us take the word to, the meaning and use of the word to. To, it is a preposition that expresses direction or shows a particular condition. So whenever you write the word to, what it shows, it is a preposition. It shows what? It shows direction or a particular condition. For example, I went to the market yesterday. So the word to is showing here what? The direction that you have been to the market. And example number 2, Rohan likes to play football. So here it is the condition of the Rohan. What does he likes? He likes to play football. All right, students. So whenever you use the word to, you need to know it is a preposition which expresses direction or shows a particular condition only. Okay. Now let us see the next one. That is the meaning and the use of the word to, TWO2. Now let us see what it is, TWO2. It is the number name of 2, right? It is the number name of the numerical letter 2. Examples are Mary has 2 new dresses. It shows that the number, that is the quantity of dresses, right? The number of dresses which Mary has. Mr. Mehra owns 2 houses, right? So how many houses Mr. Mehra has? He has 2 houses. So whenever you use the word to, TWO2, it shows what? It shows number, that it shows quantity. All right, students, let us see the next one. The meaning and use of the word to, TWO2. Now, what does this mean? TWO2, it means also. So, whenever you use the word TWO2, it means also, or it means much more or less than needed. So it also means much more or less than needed. So some of the examples are Neha loves chocolate and I love them too. So here you can see that this too means what? I love them also. Neha is my friend. She loves chocolate and I too, I also love chocolate. So here the word TWO2 refers to at also, right? The question paper was too tough or difficult. So here the word TWO2 signifies what? Very, but that is much more. At times, it can be used as lesser than also. We can even say the question paper was too easy. So in this case, what it will be? It refers to less than something. So whenever you use the word to, it signifies what? It signifies also or sometimes much more or lesser than something. I hope you have understood, students, right? So now there is a practice time for you all. So students, now that you have understood that to and to are homophone words, but it has got different spelling, meaning and grammatical uses, you need to frame TWO2, that is 2 sentences. You need to frame 2 sentences of each of these words. And also you need to write a short paragraph about your hobby, incorporating the use, that means making use of these 3 words which we have learned, homophone words which we have learned, that is to and to. All right, students. So thank you, students. I hope all of you have understood. As a homework, I'll be assigning some other homeworks in the Google Classroom. So in today's class, we have understood what are homophones. They are words that sound same but has got different spelling, meanings and grammatical use. We have seen the 3 homophone words to and to. So when to use these words, we have understood. We have also seen the examples and I have also assigned you some practice assignment. So please do that. Okay, students. So I shall see you all in my next class with yet another topic. So till then, students, keep learning, keep smiling. Bye-bye.